Hello, I'm Prashant, and the topic for today is how to read an annual report of a company effectively. So, firstly, an annual report is a comprehensive summary of a company's performance over the given financial year. Now, it is prepared for the shareholders, the regulators, the analysts, and prospective investors. And it majorly includes the MDA, which is the management discussion and analysis. Then we have the audited financial statements. We have the notes to accounts. We have the corporate governance report and the business strategy and the risk disclosures. So, firstly, the MDA is a narrative section where a company exhibits the key financial performance highlights, the market trends, the operational efficiencies, the challenges that is faced, and its strategy for growth. Now, in it, we see the margins are sustainable or not, if the business is growing, what are the capex plan of the company. We see if the risk disclosures have been done, and could the currency risk be a factor in it. Is a regulation, is the regulatory issue there, are their future outlook, what is the future outlook for the company. Now then we have the financial statement where we link the statements, all the three statements. We see the performance to the income statement, we see the strength of the company to the balance sheet, and we see the health of a company through its cash flow. In income we also check the liquidity, and the we check the cost control. In balance sheet we see the signs of credit issues or overstocking. Then we also have the retained earning growth. In cash flow we see the capex trends, and if there is high profit but low cash, or what problems are there that the company might be facing. Also we have the notes to account section where we see the revenue recognition problem policy. We have the segment information, and we have the related party transaction. At last we link the qualitative and the quantitative data. We see what the management claims and what the numbers show, and if they are tallying and they are being consistent enough. We then combine this with the peer comparison and the market trend, and market data and the trend analysis. Thank you.